Hello everyone, I'm back again with yet another video. I hope it will be uploaded today. So, yesterday we discussed longitudes and latitudes and the location of Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands, if you remember. And I had asked for the spelling of tuition also. So today we will be talking about articles. It's very easy, but still we do it the wrong way. Be it mothers or the teachers, the best way to start teaching articles is let the child write all the letters of alphabet. My dear friends, mind you, it's not alphabets, it is letters of alphabet. So stop saying alphabets. Let the children write on one page all the 26 letters of alphabet. Then ask them to encircle A, E, I, O and U. Only these 5 letters should be encircled. Let them encircle and fill a light color, because children love coloring, drawing. So involve them. Let them do the way they love, because what you want is result. Once they have encircled these 5 letters of alphabet, tell them that these are the vowels and it is not vowels. VOWELS, vowels. They are vowels. Then on the next page, again let them write all the letters of alphabet, all the 26, A to Z. And I don't know why, maybe just to show our knowledge, we are confusing the kids. The teacher is telling Z instead of Z. It's not wrong. But the thing is that in Indian schools, we are teaching them British English. And in British English, the last letter of alphabet is Z, not Z. It is in American English. Let them learn British English first. Once they are able to understand, to communicate in that and converse in that, go ahead with the American one. So now let them write again A to Z on the next page. Now they will leave those 5 letters they had already encircled, the vowels. They will encircle rest of the letters of alphabet. A will not be there. B, C, D, F, G, H. I will not be there. J, K, L, M, N, O will not be there, not encircled. P, and for God's sake, again I am repeating, it's not Q, it's Q. Q, R, S, T, U will not be encircled. Neither I nor you. We won't be encircled, right? U will not be encircled. V, W, X, Y and Z. Rest of the 25 letters of alphabet will be encircled. Now let them write the word consonant on the top. In my yesterday's live session, I had already said that no subject is independent of other. All subjects are interlinked, interdependent. Now I'll show you how even in India, English for teaching English, you can use Hindi also, but I'm not asking you to tell them the meanings. What the teachers do is write the words and the meaning in Hindi. Please don't do that. If you're giving them words, let them write the meaning in English only. Explain the things. Suppose huge. Just a small example. Don't let them write bada. Huge means big. Explain it with your hands. Huge. He was angry. So give them the expressions. Tell them annoyed. Ask them, if you break a cup, what happens? Is your mama happy with you or annoyed? And the child will tell you. Why do you need to tell gussa? But just because I am asking you to take help of Hindi, the reason being, articles, what articles do is, they produce the sound. Now let us come to Hindi. Let them write A on the third page. A, A, I, U, U, E, A, O, O. A, A, I, U, U, E, A, O, O. 9 letters. हिंदी के ये सिर्फ 9 स्वर आप साथ में लिखाएंगे. This practice using of articles. Now I'm talking only and only here. I'm talking only and only about a and an. I am not going to touch the or the. We'll talk about the tomorrow. Today we will talk only about a and an. So, now suppose you have got 20 students in the class. Go to your board. Write the first word. Pick any word. It should not be proper noun. Take common noun only for this purpose. Apple. We are so used to A for apple. Right? Apple. Ask the children to read out the spelling first. Let him say A-double-P-L-E, A-P-P-L-E. Then ask the sound with which it is starting. A. हिंदी के जो आपने 9 अक्षर लिखे, स्वर लिखे 9, ए, वो जो A-E-I-O-U, these 5 letters give you 9 sounds. Tell them to relate कि यदि इनमें से इन 9 स्वरों में से कोई आता है और सिंगल है तो एन लगाना है. Apple, A. So we will write an there. Axe. Because what happens is, I remember in some movie even Amitabh Bachchan says English is a very funny language. Yes, in fact it is funny. Because it says C and A, B, C, and when we write that C, I don't know why, but it gives the sound of K, cat. इसलिए when you are teaching articles, I'm here again, I reiterate, a and an. We are talking right here only about a and an. Acts. Again it starts with a, single, a. उन 9 स्वरों में से है. We will write an. B for bat. आदत पड़ी हुई है ना हम लोगों को. A for apple और B के बाद बैट ही, B से बैट ही आता है. बाद की चीज़ें बाद में आती हैं. हम बुक बोलते ही नहीं है. B for box बोलते ही नहीं है. तो बाद में आता है ऑटोमेटिकली. A for apple, B for bat. The third word you are writing is book, not the books. Let the child speak out the word. Book. B. Ask him. वो जो 9 स्वर आपने लिखे हैं उनमें ब आ रहा है? नो. तो यहाँ पे ए लगाएंगे. इफ द चाइल्ड इज 4th और 5th स्टैंडर्ड, बुके वगैरह वर्ड्स यूज कीजिए ना. बुटीक यूज कर लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं है. एवरीबॉडीज मम्मा इज गोइंग टू बुटीक, ही नोज व्हाट इज अ बुटीक. द चाइल्ड नोज इट. He can very easily relate to the word. Our mothers used to stitch clothes at home. पर हमारे बच्चों की मम्मियाँ थोड़ी सिलती हैं. They go to the boutique. So the child will understand. C. Cup. Look, I said no? Amitabh Bachchan was very much right. English is a funny language. If C, the letter is C but it gives the sound K, tell them to speak out the word cup. K, the sound starts with K. Cup. Again, स्वर नहीं है क, व्यंजन है. क वर्ग का पहला व्यंजन क है क ख ग वाली लाइन में. इसलिए we will have A. और एग्जाम्पल दीजिए. ड पे आ जाएं. डॉग लिखा देते हैं. मैं डाउट लिखाऊंगी. एक तो I'll tell B is silent here. DOUBT. I have a doubt. Highlight that B and tell them better. We are not going to say this letter, so this is going to be quiet, silent. QUIET, quiet wala, silent. You remember I told in the homophones, quiet, QUIET, जिसके पीछे कुछ नहीं है, T के पीछे मतलब शांति वाला. ड, डमरू. ट ट वर्ग का अक्षर है ये. ड, अगेन स्वर नहीं है इसलिए, एंड सिंगल है, डाउट्स नहीं है, तो ए. एग. ई. अगेन द लेटर इज ई. साउंड वो अ का दे रहा है. यू शुड मेक द चिल्ड्रन फेमिलियर विद द साउंड. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग हिंदी के स्वरों का यूज कीजिए. ड, अ, एग में ए. ए स्वर इज देयर. स्वरों में लिखा हुआ वो जो 9 स्वर आपने लिखे उसमें ए है, इसलिए यहाँ पर एन आएगा. फिश. साथ में बता दीजिए बेटा. 100 फिश है तो भी यू कैन राइट फिश और फिशेस दोनों राइट है. अब आई डू दिस ऑल्सो, चेंजिंग द नंबर्स फ्रॉम सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल. जो बीच में आता है तो रैंडमली आप बता दें. फिश. फ. प फ ब भ म, प वर्ग. अगेन स्वर नहीं है इसलिए फ के साथ ए साउंड आ रहा है, बिकॉज वी एज्यूम अ फिश. फिश हम इधर 1 की बात कर रहे हैं. और प्लीज़ ट्राई. इवन आई एम वेरी बैड एट ड्राइंग, बट जहाँ तक हो सकता है चाहे एक रनिंग पिक्चर बनाओ. आई always try to make pictures so that the big children are good at picturizing the things they understand. One seeing is better than 100 hearings. We watch a movie and we retain it. So draw pictures, maximum number of pictures. Now let us, like, we will be doing like this only. F, G, H. Now I have skipped because otherwise video लंबा हो जाता है. Nobody is interested in watching long videos, so I have to cut it short. E, F, G, H. Now comes to H. H, O, N, E, S, T. Write the word there. Let the children speak out. एक आधा बच्चा बेचारा ऐसा भी होएगा who will say honest. Don't let others laugh at him. Snub them right there. Tell them nobody in the world is 100% perfect, neither you nor me. So we don't have a right to laugh at others. At least he has tried. Tell them again, this H is silent. Now repeat the word honest. Look, what happened? The word, when we look at it, it starts with the letter H, but it is giving the sound of O. That is why I told you people to start with the sound and उसके लिए स्वरों का example help लेने के लिए, not example, स्वर का help लेना है. Honest man, honest man. Here we will not use the word honesty. No. I already told, use only common noun. Honest man here, though honest is not a noun, it is adjective here, still, but it is telling you, okay, honest. Now after H, I hope you get it. If you don't get it, kindly inbox me. I'll let you know. I'll describe the things to you again. I, again done. J, K, L, M, N, O, owl. A. Look, letter is O. When the child is reading the letters of alphabet in nursery, in pre-nursery, in LKG, he is saying O, A. But when it comes to giving out the sound, O. O, owl. And हद तो आगे हो गई. Now the child knows A. Otherwise what happens is teachers tell कि बेटा A, E, I, O, U. ये 5 letters हैं, and लगा दीजिए. Owl के साथ वही बच्चा is putting an, because of the sound owl. The next word you will give is 1 rupee note. O-N-E, one boy, one toy, 1 rupee note. Here the same O is giving the sound V. Funny language, na? So, give more words of starting with letter O. 1 rupee note. Here वो जो कंसेप्ट नहीं तो अदरवाइज साउंड के करके ओ है, द लेटर ओ इज देयर, तो यू विल पुट एन. वहां पे आपका कंसेप्ट गलत हो गया. व 1 rupee note. व a 1 rupee note, and now I'll carry over 1 rupee note. P Q R S T U. Another example. First letter we tell with starting with U is umbrella. Again the letter is U. It is giving, when we are teaching them, the letter वो U बोलता है. Umbrella. Here that U is giving the sound umbrella. Give them the next word. University. 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 U. The same letter U, the same vowel. It is not vowel. Same vowel is giving the sound Y. It is giving the consonant sound. व्यंजन की आवाज दे रहा है वो. So I have an old uncle who is a university professor. He carries an umbrella. He carries an umbrella to the office daily. Umbrella, an, university. यूनिक. बेनजीर होता है इसका मतलब. अद्वितीय. A unique quality. We all are unique in our own ways. UNIQUE. UNIQUE नहीं है. UNIQ. Unique. Year. Earn. You are an earn. For Kashmiri kahwa. Yeah, I have got a German Shepherd in my home. He is licking my finger. Yeah, so he has run off. Earn. You are an earn. Again. An. Unique. Year. Parrot. Per. Here I will not use the word Savita because it is a proper noun. I can't use Kapoor. It is a proper noun. I can use tree. Now the letter X. My video today has become single topic. इसलिए लिया था. X ray. X. A. It starts with the sound A. An X-ray. Look, X is not a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels are there. X-ray is not a vowel. X is not a vowel, but we always say an X-ray. An examination, an exam. E. है ना? X.